This started as a video about home gadgets, but I didn't expect the first one to literally hypnotize me. I was mid-edit when I powered it on. A spinning umbrella diffuser that looks like a tiny storm cloud, casting a soft, color-changing light while releasing an actual mist. Yeah, it doesn't just humidify your room, it's a full-on mood. It runs quietly, fills the space with your favorite essential oil, and looks like something you'd see in a movie scene, where the protagonist finally finds peace. If you want one gadget to make your room feel like a retreat, this is it. But let's go from spa vibes to Arctic utility. I didn't think I'd ever get excited about ice cube trays, but this stackable bin system, it just makes sense. Pop your ice out with one press, slide the cubes into the container below, and you're done. No spills, no freezer juggling, no Tetrising 4 trays on top of each other. And the scoop included actually makes you feel like you own a mini ice bar. If you've ever served guests and awkwardly reached into the tray with your hands, never again. Now here's where it gets wild. You know that dust on top of your ceiling fan that rains down like ash every time you turn it on? This microfiber ceiling fan duster with an 80-inch extension is the revenge you didn't know you needed. It bends to wrap around the blade. It actually holds the dust instead of tossing it onto your bed. And when you rinse it, everything just melts off. The handle's ergonomic, lightweight, and weirdly satisfying to use. I used to procrastinate fan cleaning like it was tax season. Now I kind of look forward to it. And then came the one that caught me totally off guard, a ring. But not for your finger, for your thumb. This tiny wireless controller connects to your phone via Bluetooth and lets you scroll, tap, and control without touching the screen. Watching TikTok in bed with your hands under the blanket, scrolling long reads with your coffee hand busy, boom, tap the ring. It's rechargeable, subtle, and honestly kind of futuristic. I didn't know I needed it until I couldn't stop using it. 4 gadgets, one for the senses, one for the chill, one for the mess, and one for the moments when your hands just need a break. All links are in the description. Hit like if even one of these made you say, I need that, and comment below. Which one's coming to your doorstep next? Don't forget to subscribe for more gadgets that actually change how you live.